Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a photo dump on the TikTok. So right now it's very trending. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the CapCut mobile application. Once you will do it, you have to download and install it on your phone. Once you will download and install it, simply click on the open and you have to click on the new project. Once you will do it, first of all you have to select the pictures you want to add in your video. Let's suppose I have these random pictures. Just click on the add. Once you will do it, you have to click on the add audio, go to the sound and you have to download the sound from the TikTok that people are using behind photo dump trend. So let's suppose I add this music just to give you an example. Once you will do it, click on here. Now you have to listen and adjust your pictures according to the beat. So let's suppose this video is started from here and according to beat just adjust like this. You will see graph is here and you can adjust your pictures with this graph of the audio. So once you will add all the pictures, simply click on it. Once you will do it, your video will be export to your device and upload it on TikTok. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.